Good morning, brothers and sisters. Maraming salamat po sa inyong paghihintay sa pagsisimula ng ating banal na misa. I'm not the romantic type, but since this is First Friday and we're talking about the heart of Jesus, one day a young man actually came, almost maiyak-iyak na siya, nagtatanong, Father, bakit po naman ganun ang tadhana, no? Sabi niya, kung pwede po bang magmahal ng hindi nasasaktan? No? Feel na feel niya. No? Tapos, ay hindi naman, pero sa kanya, serious talaga na, maiyak-iyak na nga eh. O, kung may hugot kayo doon, tago nyo na lang, kwento nyo na lang sa friends nyo. No? Pero, sabi niya nga talaga yun, siguro, he's just coming out of a broken relationship. Hindi pa naman married, life lang. No? So, but going back to that question, alam ko kung anong sagot ninyo doon. Pwede bang magmahal ng hindi nasasaktan? Alam ko anong sagot ninyo dyan. Oh. Alam mo, ako naman, hindi, sabi ko nga, I'm not the romantic type at wala naman ako mga ganyang experience. But from what I can observe, and I can bet, kahit statistics pa ang pag-usapan natin, it's hardly the case na magmahal ka nang hindi ka masasaktan. Pag nagmahal ka, be prepared to be hurt. Ganun ba? Yes, masarap magmahal, pero parang kalakip na rin sa pagmamahal ang masasaktan ka. Tanungin na lang natin yung mga mag-asawa na nagmahalan, nangako na nga sa kanilang isa't isa na sila'y magmamahalan until death do us part, no? In sickness or in health, in prosperity or in poverty, magmamahalan sila. But ask them, have they not at one point in their marriage been disappointed by their partner or spouse? Sooner ma-disappoint ka, gano'n na nga eh. No? Akala ko ba susunduin mo ako, pagkatapos hindi mo naman ako sinundo. Ang dami mga gano'n. No? Di ba dapat ikaw din gumagawa? Bakit ako na lang palaging gumagawa ng gawa sa bahay? No? Bakit parang lagi tayong nagkukulang sa pera? Hindi ka ba pwedeng kumita pa? Yes, to be realistic with love, there will always be disappointment and frustration. Alam mo mga kapatid, hindi naman unique yan sa human love. God's love experienced the same. God loved humanity. He loved them so much, He sent His only Son to be with them. To be one with them. Para sagipin na nga sila eh. Pinadala na sariling anak. Diyos na ang bumaba sa lupa. And then, you listen a gospel like this. Ano yung gospel? Yung mga towns where the Lord visited, rejected Him. Can you imagine that? Anak ng Diyos mismo. Madaming peking anak ng Diyos. Dami tayong naririnig mga anak ng Diyos. Yung isa nga andun, pinatawag na sa Senado yung anak ng Diyos. Sumasagot yung anak ng Diyos doon. Hindi niya nga alam. Yung mga ganun ba? But this is the real Son of God. Jesus Himself. And yet, He experienced frustration, disappointment, rejection. Kung si Jesus nga naka-experience ng ganon, tayo pa kaya? Kaya the heart of Jesus, di ba? Kung papansinin niyo the heart of Jesus, minsan nga lapitan natin yung heart of Jesus. Silipin mo, anong klase ba yung heart na yan? And you will realize it's one that is burning, there's a fire, out of love. Passionate, loving fire. No? But also surrounded by thorns, bloody, nagdudugo sa hapis, sa hirap. That's the heart of Jesus. One who continues to love, and yet one who has been hurt, who has been disappointed, who has been frustrated, one who has been rejected, one whose love has not been requited. Lalim ng words. Requited meaning, nagmahal pero hindi binalik. Yung para bang, you know, I love you. Ang sagot sa iyo, thank you. And Jesus felt that. And so, siguro, just to make our reflection short about our own experience, human love, no? Hindi ka nag-iisa sa mundo. May kasama ka, nandun sa langit, si Jesus. Kung ano man ang pinagdaraanan natin sa buhay, sometimes masaya, sana lagi. Kung hindi, then, take heart. Jesus is with you also in your hurt. No? And then, remember always, the love of God, whatever it has experienced or received back from the love of people, will continue to love. Yun naman yun. Ang nagmamahal, nasasaktan, pero ang nagmamahal, nagpapatuloy magmahal. So, never give up on love. No? And never give up on people as well. Relationships might not work, but it does not mean that love is not valid. So, don't give up on love, whatever the experiences. Continue to love because our experience of God's love is that Jesus, even though His sacred heart has been bloodied and hurt, continues to love you, to love each and every one of us. Amen.
Thank you for joining us. View our past broadcast on the St. Peter Community YouTube channel and St. Peter Community Facebook page. Don't forget to like, to share, to subscribe, and hit the bell so you can be notified on our upcoming activities. Maraming salamat po at laging tandaan, unahin natin lagi ang Diyos.